On top of that, I was going to do like a sub bullet point, but I was like, nah, this is a part of maintenance. This is definitely a part of maintenance. Skincare. So it was maintenance slash skincare. I cut my hair every 3 to 4 days because I just cut this morning. So this means by Tuesday, it's going to be 2 shades darker. I'm irritating, the sides of my hair when I'm cutting my hair because I'm cutting it so much, cutting it pretty much 3 times a week, depending if I'm doing it on the 3rd day or the 4th day. But I'm irritating my skin. That can cause, dark spots or bumps or hyperpigmentation or ingrown hairs. But because I treat my hair, like the edge of my hair, like my face, I also apply skincare regimen to my bald head. I mean, look at my bald head. The back of my neck. It's pretty much the same as the rest of everything else. When you guys look at this cover art of bald head skincare, you guys kind of just see the same thing. I don't really do too much editing. I'll spend I'm not going to say spend. I invest a lot of money and care into my skincare. When I mean invest, that means I'm doing chemical peels on a regular basis. I get facials. I go to a professional and I do my own. So it's like a double whammy. My skincare on a day-to-day basis. I really pour into my skincare because, again, I have nothing to hide from. I have no hair. I have no bangs. I mean, when I do have earrings on, you still got all of this in the front. So everything needs to just be together. So that's why, definitely keep in mind your maintenance. You definitely gotta pan out, how often does my hair gotta get cut? Cause will you have time to have yourself together? So that's definitely one thing that you definitely need to keep in mind. Even if you have like a pixie haircut, you still need to get that pixie haircut, maintenance. Because after a while, like the back of your kitchen, I mean, girl, you're gonna be going like this, or you're gonna be trying to wear a hat. I've already been there, done that. Like I said, I've had short hair for quite some time, but in this video, we're specifically talking to the women who are potentially thinking about, cutting their hair very, very low, or like mine. But yeah, tip number one, definitely maintenance slash skincare. Because as much as you cut your hair, you also need to make sure that everything is cohesive with your skincare and your low cut hair. Okay.